Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to access Webuzo control panel using domain name instead of IP, and your domain is managed by Cloudflare. We can even rephrase this question as how to access custom port on Cloudflare. So in this video what are the things that will be there is Webuzo is installed as a VPS control panel and the domain name is managed by Cloudflare. And what we want to achieve is we want to open this Webuzo control panel using the domain name like this xyz.com colon 2002 or xyz.com colon 2004 instead of IP like this. Let's get started. So this is the Cloudflare control panel. You can change the domain name from here, whatever the domain for which you want to change the setting, you can change it from here, and you have to click on this DNS. So in DNS you can see multiple records will be there. So these are the two records that is available for this domain, and for this hosting is on Google Cloud Platform. The VPS is on Google Cloud Platform. If you don't know how to create a VPS on Google Cloud Platform, then please watch our another videos where we have shown how to create a VPS on Google Cloud Platform. I will be providing the link in the description. You can see here this is the IP address of the VPS. If I will copy this and if I will try to access Webuzo using the port number 2004 or 2002, then you can see here this will open without any issue. If I will change this to 2004, then also this will work without any issue. See here. But this is IP address and the port number of the Webuzo. This will work perfectly. But my aim is to open this Webuzo control panel using this domain name. If I will try to open this with this domain name, let's try. If I will enter 2002, so this will not work. Even if I will try 2004, so both the port are not working. So after trying for some time, you can see here the request is failed. This port number 2004 and even this port number 2002, both requests are failed. The reason is the custom ports, these ports 2002 and 2004. If you will go to Cloudflare Help Center, then you can see here what are the port number that is allowed by Cloudflare by default. So in HTTP call, these are the port number that are allowed, and in HTTPS call, these are the port number that are allowed. So you can see here 2002 and 2004 are not present. That is the reason this 2002 and 2004 is not working. So the solution for this is create a subdomain with the proxy disabled. So let's create one. Click on this add record. The type will be a. Give the name anything. If you want to give cPanel, you can give cPanel, admin, anything you can give. I am just giving Webuzo. IP address will be same. The changes that we have to see here is this proxy status. So currently this is proxied. Proxied means this request will go through Cloudflare with additional security and a performance improvement. But since we have to use custom port that is not allowed in Cloudflare by default, then we will have to disable this. Click on this. So this will become DNS only. In this case, all the request comes to Cloudflare and Cloudflare will only route that request to your server. And click on this save. So now you have one more record with this name and the proxy status is DNS only. Now use this as your subdomain. This will work. Even for 2004, give this as a subdomain. This will work. So now you are able to access this Webuzo control panel on your domain name. So here you can see that the custom port is 2004 and the custom port is 2002. So this solution will be work for the ports that is not allowed by default. So what are the ports that are not, you can see here in this page. I will provide this link in the description. So if your port number is not present here, then you have to follow this step of creating new subdomain name with the proxy status as DNS only. Then you will be able to access the port that is not allowed here. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then please subscribe to our channel. If you do not like, then please comment so that we can improve. If you want me to make a video on anything, then please comment below. Thank you for watching this video.